Alright, welcome back to another break by All in Cards Team Case Breaks. We're busting a box of 2012 Bowman Jumbo for Hockey Fights and Bruin7 on freedomcardboard.com. Good luck, guys. Alrighty. Good luck. Hope we hit something awesome. We got 5 viewers. I see we got 5 guests. Guys, why don't you sign in the room and join the fun? We have an ice to start off. Paul Konerko ice. Ice is okay, but we like chrome. And a Bryce Harper Bowman's Best, and a Devin Mesoraco Refractor Auto. Cincinnati Reds going to the NL. Pujols Bowman's Best. I think so. JP, is he? Miguel Sano, Bowman's Best. I've heard the name plenty of times. We have a Bowman Orange, Brett Gardner. Where's our color refractors? We have another refractor auto, this time for the Cleveland Indians. Dylan Howard, refractor auto. So 1 auto apiece. Justin Matterson, ice. Miguel Cabrera, Bowman's Best. Ooh, what is this? We got a couple hits this pack. We have a plate for the Joe Benson, Minnesota Twins. Printing plate. Is that magenta? Yes, magenta. And Greg Buelow, refractor. And a Bowman's Best, Jose Bautista. Yeah, I love it how it's covered in paint. Jonathan Singleton, Bowman's Best. Jacob Turner, Bowman's Best. We have a Brett Jackson Bowman's Best and a Joe Ross Blue Refractor, San Diego. And our autograph is, drum roll please, Eric Ark, Toronto Blue Jays base auto. It's kind of split box, it seems like. ALNL evenly almost. And there was your box of 2012 Bowman Jumbo.